Tired of getting crushed in Brawl Stars because you're game poor? This guide shows you how to fuel your brawling ambitions using Paysafecard. First things first, fire up Brawl Stars on your phone or tablet. Make sure you have the latest version installed from your app store to avoid any compatibility issues. Now, tap on the shop icon located on the main game screen. You'll be greeted with a dazzling array of gem offers. Pick the gem package that suits your needs and budget. Consider what you want to buy with those gems. After you select your desired gem package, you'll be taken to either the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store payment screen. Look for the Google Play Balance or Apple ID Balance option. If you don't see it, you might need to add your Paysafecard to your Google Play or Apple ID account first, which we'll cover in a bit. Okay, time to head over to the Paysafecard website. You'll need to either create a My Paysafecard account or log in if you already have one. Having a My Paysafecard account lets you easily manage your PINs. This is important. Now, within your Google Play or Apple ID settings, you'll find an option to redeem a gift card or promo code. This is where you'll enter your 16-digit Paysafecard PIN. After entering the PIN, you'll see a confirmation message stating that the Paysafecard value has been successfully added to your Google Play or Apple ID balance. Make sure the amount is correct. Return to Brawl Stars and select the same gem package you chose earlier. This time, when you proceed to payment, your Google Play or Apple ID balance will be used automatically. Confirm the purchase and voila! Your gems will be instantly added to your account, ready to be spent on boxes, skins, or whatever your brawling heart desires. Enjoy your upgraded Brawl Stars experience.